What you need to know about affiliate marketing. If you take the proper steps, affiliate marketing can be something that is extremely lucrative. This video will give you all of the ins and outs when it comes to affiliate marketing, and you can use them to obtain success. Use these tips wisely and you should be fine. After you've made a sale on your site, offer your new customer a chance to be an affiliate. By offering a customer a chance to make a commission when he sells your products, you can turn one sale into 1,000 potential sales. This can be a great way to do marketing on the internet. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. Be honest in your advertising as an affiliate. We all have the urge to talk things up and to let colorful rhetoric do the selling, but that's really old hat on the internet. Most people are aware of fluff pieces, and what they're seeking today is honest information about how a product is good for them. Be honest and you will do much better. To make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, you need to have access to real-time statistics so you can track your efforts quickly. You do not want to be running ads that do not cause the customer to click through, and with real-time tracking you can make changes as soon as you notice. While affiliate marketing can be lucrative for some, it may not be as successful for others. You have to remember to be patient because success does not happen overnight. It may be a little slow in the beginning, but if these tips are implemented properly, you can be a success in a decent amount of time. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.